For those of you who might be new to OpenCorp and not familiar with who we are and what we do, I wanted just to give you a really quick summary around how we fit into the process, exactly how we help you, and most specifically what our vested interests are. Right from the outset, we are not a developer, we're not a builder, we're not a real estate agent, we're not a project marketer, we are not selling our own stock. There are a lot of players out there that do, we're not. Our competitive point of difference is our map process and our research and analytics team who are spending all day, every day, analysing the data and the criteria that we have to find our clients the optimum investment property for their portfolio at any point in time. So in short, if our clients bring the money and the motivation, we help you start to finish, taking an educational focus to begin with. That's the purpose of the individual strategy session, where we would sit down, understand what you want to achieve, what your goals are, help you understand what's required to get there, share some investment property fundamentals with you, specifically talk about how we would recommend structuring the finance for your situation, share with you what our map process is and all the criteria we look at, as well as give you a full outline on the service offering, not just what we do and how we help and what we charge, but a full outline on what are the risks. We like talking about risk because when you're aware of risk, you know how to mitigate those risks. And we're very confident, having been investors ourselves for 20 years or more, that we know how to mitigate the risk and the formula to do so safely and effectively. So not only are we doing every single part of the process for you, making it really, really simple, we are actually putting our money where our mouth is to provide guarantees and protections and inclusions against the things that can go wrong to make it a one-stop shop. So in terms of how the process unfolds and the different divisions within the OpenCorp group to help you on your property investment journey, as I said, we start out with the education. That doesn't stop at the individual strategy session, but we're looking at all of those details before we even get into a specific property recommendation. Okay, we charge a fee for our service. We guarantee that we'll effectively save you our costs by the way that we are able to put together favourable packages and opportunities based on our network of experience and contacts. From there, we're able to help guide you through the whole process of finance. So how do we get the loan structuring right? How do we make it optimal for what you want to achieve and make sure that we're getting everything done right from the start rather than trying to untangle unfavourable lending structures over the course of the years of your property investment journey. No one wants to be dealing directly with tenants and taking calls at 2 a.m. in the morning for a blocked toilet. We have a property management team who are there specifically to manage the tenant relationships and manage the property for you ongoing. Okay, and we want to make everything really, really simple. So our whole process around relationship management with single points of contact, dealing with all of the experts in our business. We're a team of 53 right now. You don't want to be dealing with 10 or 15 different people. So we make it as simple as possible, but that's the kind of powerhouse that comes with a business like OpenCorp, where we've been doing things for 15 years and half of our business each year is repeat and referral. So there's our vested interest. We really want to make sure that you're getting great results, that the service is A1. That way we want you to be coming back to build your portfolio with our help, and we want to be able to be helping those in your network to achieve some of the amazing results that we've achieved and that we've helped you achieve. In order to be able to do that, we're creating a long-term relationship through our strategic portfolio management. You're not going to be able to add to your portfolio every year. That's not the point. But by keeping your finger on the pulse on a consistent basis over your journey, we're making sure that we're helping you get to where you want to get to and achieve the goals that you want over the long term. And most importantly, when life gets busy, we're just there tapping you on the shoulder to help make sure that we're getting regular check-ins to help you understand what are the properties doing, how much equity is there, is it worth getting a valuation, how's your cash flow, have your goals changed, etc., etc. So there it is in a nutshell. That's what OpenCorp do. Long-term relationships sound cliche, I understand that. But again, the accountability that our clients place on us to get results is why we're here. And our MAP process has that track record where we've beaten the market by 37% when you compare what we've achieved for our clients compared to the Australian capital city average in the last 10 years. So we'd love to help you get some of the same results that have worked for us. The first step, as we've said, is the individual strategy session. have a look at what's possible for you, and we'll help point you in the right direction.